Hey, you're welcome to this channel. Want to solve the problem 9 raised to the power of x minus 12 into 3 raised to the power of x plus 27 is equal to 0. We have 9 raised to the power of x and 3 raised to the power of x. We can take 9 to a number. We can take 9 to a number in base 3, to a power in base 3, to a power in base 3. So let y equal to 3 raised to the power of x. So since y is equal to 3 raised to the power of x, 9 raised to the power of x, so 9 is 3 raised to the power of 2. So 3 raised to the power of 2. Using that multiplication law, x, then minus 12 into 3 raised to the power of x. 3 raised to the power of x. 3 raised to the power of x, So 3 raised to the power of x. Then plus 27 is equal to 0. What do we do from here? This one can be written as 3 raised to the power of x, then all raised to the power of 2 minus 12 into 3 raised to the power of x plus 27 is equal to 0. And now have y squared minus 12y is equal plus 27 is equal to 0. We factorize this. How do we factorize this? Think of two numbers whose product is 27. Two numbers whose product will be 27. We have 3 and 9. To get 12 minus 12, it means minus 3 and minus 9 gives 27. Therefore, y squared minus 3y then minus 9y plus 27 is equal to 0. Factorize this. Y is common to this. Y is a common factor. So we have y into y minus 3, then minus 9 into y minus 3 is equal to 0. So we have y minus 3, then y minus 9 is equal to 0. So y minus 3 is equal to 0, or y minus 9 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 3, or y is equal to 9. But don't forget, y is 3 raised to the power of x. Y is 3 raised to the power of x. So can I rewrite the 3 we have gotten here is equal to 3 raised to the power of x. So these 3, since the bases are the same, we are going to write this in exponent form. We are going to write this in exponent form because since the bases are the same, then the powers are the same. This 3 is the same as 3 raised to the power of 1 to be equal to 3 raised to the power of x. Therefore, x is equal to 1, or 9 is equal to 3 raised to the power of x. I can take this to a power in base 3. So 9 is the same as 3 raised to the power of 2 because 3 times 3 is 9. So 3 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 3 raised to the power of x. Therefore, 2 is equal to what? X. So we've gotten the value of x. Therefore, x is equal to 1 or 2. Gotten value of x. Thank you.